This one's for all my bears out there. You see that chart? Going parabolic. You know it can't last forever, baby. There's only one place I need you to go. Listen.
I've been watching you since the opening bell, casting your hypnotic green candle spell. You're flying so high, way above the mean, the most overblood chart I've ever seen. I clicked the sell button, girl, I'm shorting you now. I got a feeling you're about to turn around somehow. My stop loss is set, but my heart is beating fast. This beautiful setup, oh, I need it to last. Oh, won't you take me to V-Bubby-P?
Yeah, that's where I need to go.
Oh, baby, take me to V-Bub. Bring that price down
Nice and slow.
I see the seller stepping in, knocking at your door. Just a little healthy pullback, that's all I'm asking for. So take me to V-Bubby, boy, 'cause girl, I wanna see that profit and more. The buying volume's fading, oh, it's getting weak. You're trying to push higher past the morning peak, but those little red candles, they're starting to show, telling me a story that all the bears know. Don't you fake me out, girl, don't you start to squeeze. Just look at the indicators, baby, won't you please? Don't you break my heart with a new high of day. My profit target's waiting, it's not that far away. Oh, won't you take me to V-Bubby-P?
Yeah, that's where I need to go.
Oh, baby, take me to V-Bubby.
Bring that price down, nice and slow.
I see the seller stepping in, knocking at your door. Just a little healthy pullback, that's all I'm asking for. So take me to V-Bubby-P, 'cause girl, I wanna see that profit and more. Yeah. They call it the magnet, the line of control, where institutional money can make a trader whole. I ain't asking for a crash, I ain't asking for the floor. Just come back to that average and I'll be out the door. That volume weighted price, yeah, it's looking so sweet to me.
Come on, baby, sell it off.
Oh, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down for me now. Oh, baby, take me to V-Double-Me. I gotta cover my short, don't you see? Oh, I see the seller stepping in, knocking at your door. Just a little healthy pullback, that's all I'm asking for. So take me to V-Double-E way, 'cause girl, I wanna see that profit and more. Take me there, baby, oh, to the V-Double-E green. That beautiful golden line on my screen. Come on, just a few more ticks, yeah, that's the way. Let me see that green. Oh, take me to V-Way. Don't you? Yeah, my stop loss, got it, that's the top tick tilter. Saw the price reject, now my heart's getting colder. Watched it fall without me, yeah, soldier with no prize. I see red on the candle and red in my eyes, yeah. Top tick tilter, fill me at the high. Now I'm popping nothing, sitting on the side. Should've been a milli, now it's just a ghost. The market played me dirty, yeah, it hurt the most. Woke up this morning, saw the setup, it was clean. Overextended daily, yeah, short seller's dream. Put my order on the book, risk was calculated plan. Felt that rush inside my veins, had the world inside my hand. Then the candle started pushing paranoia in my soul. A wick came out of nowhere, made my P&L a hole. Just one single tick, a whisper, then it slammed right back to earth. Now I'm watching all this money, questioning my worth. Yeah, my stop loss got hit, that's a top tick tilter. Saw the price reject, now my heart's getting colder. Watched it fall without me, yeah, soldier with no prize. I see red on the candle and red in my eyes, yeah. Top Toxic till to fill me at the high. Now I'm popping up and sitting on the side. Should've been a million, now it's just a ghost. The market played me dirty, yeah, it hurt the most. It's a cruel world, it's trading game, a different type of pain. Like you text your girl I love you and she leaves you in the rain. Saw the profit flash before me, then it vanished from the screen. This ain't a simulation, this is agony, it's key. Toxic tilter, now I'm just a watcher. It hurts the most. Gone.
I see you shining, baby, on the screen. Another rocket launch, a manufactured scene. The chatter's buzzing loud, the retail's buying in. They think they found the gold, where do I even begin? Volume's climbing high, charts are looking green. But I got a different vision, a different kind of scene. My fingers on the trigger, my conviction's wearing thin. Cause everybody's got to end. They're talking moon and stars, a stratospheric flight. But I'm here in the shadows, waiting for the fading light. They built it up so high on hopes and empty claims. Just a house of cards playing dangerous games. Oh, I'm waiting for the halt down, baby, hear that siren blow. When the bids all disappear and the panic starts to grow. That glorious halt down, watch it drop and fall. From the penthouse to the basement, gonna lose it all. Pumping, pumping for an offering you'll release. Then silence in the market, no more happy peace. Just a swift, sweet dive from that precarious peak. Oh, that glorious halt down is the moment that I seek. Saw this play 100 times, it's nothing new to me. Flashing news and promises for all the world to see. No fundamental reason, just pure and empty hype. While the insiders are prepping for the final perfect strike. Call me cynical, baby, that's just fine with me. But I see the truth behind what they want you to see. You play the hype machine, you sold them all a lie. Now it's time to watch your little paper kingdom die. That precarious peak, oh, that glorious halt down is the moment that I seek. Yeah, waiting for it. Halt down. Oh, here it comes, baby. Watch it all fall down.
Green team, happy Friday. We're going to watch it all fall down today. Fingers crossed. Perfect fall. How we doing? SGBX, GWH, little choppy, but yesterday, guess what? I mean, that TTRX after the pre-market chop ended up fading all day. I might need to adjust my no trading IPO rule after watching that thing fade all day. Oh, that was painful. To just sit in the be a spectator sport of that. This morning, there's clearly just like 2 or 3 tickers that are in as far as the gappers with volume. Outside of that, we do have a few backside plays that I'm interested in for a nice bleed and fade today. But let me know if there's anything else you guys want me to take a look at this morning. I'm going to pull up the chart on that. We got fades in the wings. Fade, how we doing?
Good morning, guys. How's it going?
Did you have any overnight swings you were holding last night?
Oh, God. Let's not talk about that. Those
How did
IPOs
they?
just dumped, man. They just dumped. I called that play in Discord. I got like $6 on it, but it ended up giving like a $14 short from like 20 to like 6 or 7.
Oh,
I covered it like 14, so I'm
uh,
not mad, but
okay. So you made money though.
yeah, it started to kind of like reverse right at the end of close, and I'm just like, man, let me not be greedy. It'll probably pump up a little bit. I should have just resmacked it with leftovers though and held it because
What
that's
ticker was
how
that?
these stops. So that was
Just some IPO that was popping off.
that's a good question. Let me look at my trades. Hold on.
See if there's another move on it. We got PWM hitting highs right now. So the 3 plays traders and the leading gappers are PWM, SGBX, and GWH this morning that are getting the hype behind them. And then outside of that, I got about 3 hangovers fades I want to take a
Okay.
look at and see what you think as well.
Yeah, those IPO charts. So it was YDDL. That
Oh,
was the play I called out. I called that thing on elevator watch after hours, but I did say it was risky. Like proceed with caution. And
proceed with caution.
and then the other one was LFS. It's just like that IPO theme of just like the pump and dump.
So the 4 a.m. would make me nervous on these, like as far as holding overnight. Like you'd have to
Exactly.
give up because you see so often, even with like that SPRB, which is somehow still holding like $175 right now, dude. That thing's about to go into T12 just like QMMM. By the way, SPRB is that $7 to 358 the other day, still sitting at at 175. But yeah, those like the YDDL, this pop, like the 4 a.m. like 5-6 point pop, I feel like would just sweep me out. But your stock,
Yeah,
you got to give them like tons of room. Like maybe
that's the
just
tricky
so.
part. It's kind of like a coin flip at 4. If they sweep it up or if they just wash it, they continue the wash, and that's kind of
Mhm,
like the risk you take, right? It's like, are you
mhm.
going to get stopped in that liquidation sweep, or are they just going to continue pushing it down? And yeah, that's the tricky part because we have seen that. Like I told you, like some mornings they'll spike it up like $1 or 2. Like a $8 stock will spike to $10 before it goes down to 5, and it's like that's hard to,
But the
yeah.
stops that you put on it, I mean, they're holding.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
my
I
in my
haven't gotten
framework.
I haven't gotten skipped. I haven't gotten a bad fill. Every stop I put works. Like I said, you always use stop limit, and I just give it plenty of wiggle room. So if I'm trading like a $10 stock, I'll put the stop at like 10.50, and then the actual order will be like $11 or $12, just to make sure in case something crazy happens. That I get
So
filled.
you could get filled anywhere in between there.
But I've been getting good fills. I haven't been getting like
Okay.
crazy ones. So. But yeah, so as far as what I'm seeing, SOPA finally gave it up yesterday.
Oh, dude, that was one that I was gonna look at with you this morning. Yeah, I'm like, dang it, dude. I was kind of watching that yesterday, but look at this chart, man. There's still room down.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, we got
And
now we
so
have a ceiling at like 4. That's gonna be hard to reclaim.
200% up still over the past 5 days.
Yeah, I mean, and look, based on past chart history, what did it do last time it went up like this? It literally had. Look at all these red days back to back that it had. Tons of them.
Exactly. Yeah, so longs are seeing that, man. And we kind of knew that. We knew it was going to give it up when it did. It was a sleepy like 20% breakdown yesterday. Um,
I love
was
this chart. I mean, any pop here, I'm going to get involved. Should have been
yeah,
involved yesterday, but it was just, like you said, just slow.
yeah. So that definitely is going to go down as one of my main watches.
Yeah, because
Besides
we could.
that, we have GLTO is still in play. Things up. It's a grinder. It's a
This is
warrior haven, so it's kind of
this is
sketchy.
hilarious. You're going over my like top three watches. It was
Come on,
Sopa.
man. You know who we are.
I can't even get them out. Like, Paige, you take over. It was Sopa, yeah. GLTO is a good one. That was my number two. I mean, that thing, the fact that it may be accumulate, like, is it gonna do another move like it did yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
Doubtfully. It
Yeah,
gave some longs an exit right there. It's kind
mm-hmm.
of holding up a little bit. This whatever
Yeah,
this support is, however this thing has support. But
I
yeah, I
took
see
that
this thing
same
going.
idea, that re-short off the pop, like kind of that shoulder formation, and it
Yeah,
was just real slow. So let's see. Yeah, but that could be definitely interesting. SPRB is still not tradable, right? Yeah.
I don't
That
even know if I would want to trade that.
that TMQ metals play is just holding up. That's still up 200%, but like we
And
said,
CRML, both of them the same. Like, dude, the
yeah,
fact this CRML, look at this U shape that just got put on this Monday. This was like this just crushed accounts on Monday, and it's back up over the highs.
dude, I'm telling you, like these pumps we've been seeing have been crazy. Like I've almost been a little scared of pre-market lately because the pumps have been so aggressive, right? Like I looked at
Mhm.
the scanner and I roll over and look at the top gainers and I pulled the chart and like these top gainers are still up 80, 100%, but they pumped like two, 300 first
Mhm.
and then washed. So like we're getting aggressive pumps and
Yeah,
dumps.
like the YDDL. That was that.
Yeah.
If you were a little early there, that would have been
Hmm.
scary.
Yep. Yeah, sure would have. Yeah, so I took a paper cut at like $10 or at like nine something, trying to get
Nice.
involved in that thing. And then I just sat on my hands and waited. And after hours, then it finally screamed at me, and I'm like, ooh. And then like I started talking about it in Discord, and I'm like, man, this thing's starting to set up here. It's giving risk levels like, and yeah, I called out the trade
Yeah,
and
because
took.
if you would have seen like this initial move right here, if you had seen that go from 5 to 10, I mean, it looks good. It looks juicy. That
Exactly.
thing
Yeah,
just
I
went
got tripped there.
100%,
Yeah, I gave away like 100 something bucks
and
on a
then
quick paper cut there. But I took my loss and I humbled up and I didn't fight it and I sat on my hands. I traded some other stuff and I revisited it later in after hours and cleaned up. So
and then
that's
it
what you
just
have to
shot
do, guys. You just got to
forward.
set yourself up for those paper cuts so you don't get emotional and overinvested. But see, a stock like that is the perfect example of what would just blow up shorts like endlessly because it was after hours that that happened, right? Like that trap happened after hours. So people blew up on that thing. But at Trade the Pool, we don't have to because not only are we hardly risking any money, but we have stops in pre and post. So it's like utilize these things to our advantage. Like I definitely
So
have.
you had a hard stop on that?
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah. I got hard stopped out and was able to reassess and just say, okay, swallow my pride, take my $100 L, and sit back.
Good. Yeah. Good work. I mean, looking back, amazing. I think that's why we've been finding a lot of success lately. We've both been like focused on it, not only our edge and mainly train that, not overtraining, but additionally, we've been like really focusing on risk here.
Yeah, the sizing is so important, especially pre and post. Like it can really get away from you, and if you don't have those stops or like you hit it a little too quick, and then all of a sudden it
Mhm.
goes against you, like those emotions can trigger. Like, you can get tilted quickly.
That's what makes trading like it makes it so difficult because it's a very strange like dichotomy, these two forces that are working against each other, where you have to be like so confident and convicted to execute on the trade, but then additionally you have to be like trade it scared as if it won't
Hmm.
work out, and set
Yeah,
so those two things can play against each other. But good
yeah.
work on that. Excellent job. SGBX, dude, this thing's like head and shoulder heavy. The SGBX this morning.
That's the recent pump.
650. Yeah, 650 looks pretty good there.
X Bio showed up as well on the list, but I think kind of got a little bounce and it's kind of getting rowdy
Oh,
again.
oh, I just saw that. Yeah. Whoa. Like a couple orders just went through all the way to 1237.
Oh, they just pumped that just now, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So the Warriors might start to migrate there. Yeah, SGBX is, the Bulls are capitulated, the same theme, but it's still sitting up 80% on the day. So, yeah, I mean, good eye there. It could very well be something. Probably
Yeah,
worth going
that.
down. It's just that base level. It's going to have to be chasey with small size, right? Because it's at a key support level. So it's like, do we really want to get involved here? I don't know. It's you kind of want to like micro focus on the tape and the level two and look for that breakdown to kind of chase it. At this point, it's kind of what I'm seeing.
Yeah.
So I'll keep it on eye. If it breaks down, I'll chase it with very small size, maybe. But at this time of day, I don't know. Might just let it kind of go for a bit, see what it does.
James, what number did I give you on NUAI yesterday? I was 2 cents off. I pretty much my analysis on it was 320, but I was going to wait till today to trade this. In which case, it's still holding the 250 in UAI, and it's in that energy sector. It just had a breakout to new highs. It's holding that breakout level here on the chart,
Mhm.
250s. I don't know. It's not my favorite because
That-
of
yeah.
energy and break out the new
Mhm.
highs. But I mean,
Mhm.
if I was going to trade it the 320, I'd probably go smaller and just risk the 320 on NUAIs. It is hangover, but
That
the energy sector, I just am not a huge fan of getting
yeah.
involved there.
Yeah, it dropped like AI news yesterday. So you have like AI and energy working against you in a hot market, and
Yeah,
it pumped and it held, and then it had that nasty fake out, right? Like I called for it. Like it was pretty much a death candle, but look how it reclaimed everything. Like look at that, man. That's
so
crazy.
many buy orders just down here at that daily support. Yeah.
Yeah. So I took it with the short idea. I got in like halfway off that recovery, but I saw it kept grinding. I just took my loss, like I was calling out in Discord. Just took the L.
Yeah, good job with the objectivity there. And yeah, guys, we got the Discord link. You can join. It's free. Join the Green Team Discord where we are chatting it up throughout the day.
Yeah, guys.
Uh,
So I only took one trade this morning. It was on GWH, and what I did is I literally just took I secured like a $20 trade in my 50K funded because now I'm at my target for my payout, and I've had 3 green days now. So that means that Monday morning, cha-ching, payout request.
oh, let's go. Is that just the flex? You have to have like 3 green days in a row? Or
Maybe it is.
I haven't seen that on the max. So
Okay.
you have to have a couple green days back to
It's
back.
it's not even back to back. It's just
Okay. It's
three
just
green days. Yeah, so it's not a big deal.
it's not
So
a big.
literally, guys, like this is a testimony. Like past a 50K eval this week, payout this same week. Like it's real. Like it's happening, guys. We're doing this.
Yeah,
And
you're doing it, man. You're
I've been
doing
through a lot of ups and downs, so I don't want to toot my own horn, but I mean, I got to give myself a little bit of credit. Like this is
it.
making big moves for me. I'm happy. We're doing good work together, man. Thankful to be here, and
Yeah.
it's definitely elevated my trading, and
Yeah,
I
certainly.
think yours as well. I think we're really helping each
Yes.
other out and the community. Anyone else that's following along.
It's a
There's
good
lots
feeling.
of
I mean,
value.
it's like the triple whammy, right? Helping each other, helping the community. It's going
Yeah, that's awesome, dude. It
very
feels good.
well. I
SGB
feel the best I've ever felt, man,
focus.
with the trading. I feel so healthy with the trading. Feel good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like $20 away from the payout. I'm up 400.
Nice.
I need like 20 more bucks, and then I don't know. I may keep growing it. I may take a payout. Just for the fun
Yeah,
of it, take a payout. I don't know, for the mindset, for the psychology, for the green team.
yeah. I think that's a pretty good plan. What I'm sticking with is like pay myself my daily
Your
max
daily
loss
loss,
because you're
which
not taking too much out, but you're still realizing it. You're still paying yourself. Like,
which for you is 1,000, right?
yeah, so I have a flex 50 and a flex 25K. So I'm gonna pay myself a grand on Monday from that flex 50 and bring myself back to like even, and
Mm,
just realize that
nice.
like 700 some bucks. And then I'm working the 25K right now. I need like 2 more green days, and then I'll try to take a little payout there and just keep it pushing, bro.
I
Just
love it, man.
conservatively keep
Love it.
pushing.
SLE Degenerate James is alerting SLE in the Discord. So that's why it's good, guys. Go ahead and join that. SLE is straight up right now. Let's take a look. Super League. I saw this one recently. This was a recent pump.
Okay, we got a pumper.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was. SLE, a recent pump. This thing a couple weeks ago.
Okay, I'm gonna refresh my scanner. I don't think I'm showing up here.
All right, SLE. They announced exclusive partnership. Every PR has an exclusive partnership in it to deliver branded, gamified content experiences across connected TV and pay TV platforms.
Well then, what does that even mean? Ask AI.
It means it's a short.
Ask the chatbot. Let me ask the chatbot what they think about this news. Is this fluff news?
I need an interpreter for these headlines. Yeah, she's dropping right now. SLE. Perfect
SLE?
Fall got SGBX on the Head and Shoulders neckline, correct?
Yeah, SGBX is heavy, guys. It's starting to fade. It might be one to. There's a big bid at 5.5. If that wipes, I might chase it with tiny size here. It's just tiny size though, because it's 9.15.
Is it up? Is there any reason it's up? I see yesterday that they regained compliance with all NASDAQ requirements. That's all
What's
I'm
that?
saying.
SGBX?
Yeah, I was trying to see
Okay.
what's holding it up.
Dude, you know what it was? Anything that had green in their name, the algorithms bought it up. Like there was like a couple China pumps or like green something. It was like some
No way.
China green, and like they were all up. I'm like, dude, the algorithms just triggered the green because like that one IPO that went up like 400% that I called out. That one was like green and green holdings or something. I was like, man, the algorithm
No way.
all these green tickers now. Like, what is this?
YDDL, was that it? Oh my god, it was. Green
Look, no, you
tech.
can still see it on the So we got Juhong green, we got one green, safe and green holding, bro.
Hang on. What are the other tickers?
Report it,
This is
guys.
too funny. YDDL, what's the other one?
YHGJ.
YHG.
Young Hung Green. The algorithm just pumped this thing. Like, what is this pig? Like,
Oh my god. This is look, if I was one of these companies, dude, I like it's such a shit show, dude. It's the stock market could be an absolute shit show.
dude, it's hilarious, bro. So SLE, man, thing's dumping, dude. Does this thing have green in the name too?
Oh my god, I'm writing that down. That would be a fun video.
Even that LFS Leaf Risk Co. It's like that's kind of a green name. Like, what's up with this green theme, guys?
The green sector. Oh man. They're
That's
cracking
so
me
weird, bro.
up. SLE is just it's tanking right now.
Dang it, man. Yeah. Anybody get that? Yeah.
I'm trying to narrow in this list a little bit.
Like we knew it. You
me-
read the news. It just
Yeah.
SGBX. Keep an eye on the 5.5. If 5.5 gives, I'll probably chase small size there, guys. Just FYI.
On SGBX.
Yeah, I saw a bunch of support there. It's a key psychological level, right?
Beautiful
See
head
how
and
it
shoulders.
is there?
1 second. BRB.
And it just formed like a right shoulder on that chart, like Fallen said too. I'm just very conservative at this time of day, man. I don't like getting in trades at this time. But if they look weak enough, they're not even going to get that love at Bell, right? They'll just like continue their trend. That's what we see. It's not like a really like A. It's not like technically an A setup. I wouldn't be taking it into Bell though. So if we wipe out low, I'll smack like 100 shares for now or something. Let's see. DVLT, that thing's a grinder. Let's start a fresh. Watch those two. GWH, king of the day so far. LFS, these stupid little IPO scams. YDDL. What a piglet, man. $30 liquidation sweep and just sells off from there to freaking $7. Like, what kind of world is this? Okay. Young Hung Green. Is that thing a short? That just sounds like a short. YH. It's only up 40%, but like. Is that 4 a.m. sweep, bro? Kevin, are you back? Oh my God. Look at this scam. I think he stepped away. Dude, look at this junk. Look at this Young Hong Green, bro. This is textbook what we talk about. Look at these
What, the YDDL?
the $4 liquidity sweep, dude.
Which ticker?
Young Hong Green.
I don't know what Young Hung Green is. It sounds like a Chinese dish.
YHGJ. Look at that fucking ticker, dude. Look at that sweep at 4 o'clock, dude.
I know.
Like, what
Dude,
is that? That's crazy. That's exactly what we were just talking about, man. Young Hong Green, we pump.
I want your Kung Pao chicken and Young Hung Green. Young Hung Green sauce. SLE 540 is so SLE could be given a sloppy seconds move towards the VWAP right now.
I have it pulled up on my portal right now. We're sitting at.
Yeah, I'm slightly hesitant as well. Like,
we're only up 40%. This market's been kind of weird.
It has been. Like, I don't. If we're breaking down like A, B, and C setups, I don't know if anything is in the A category at the moment for me yet.
Yeah. Yeah. Agreed. D-Fly is still up 300 something percent.
Maybe. I think SOPA's close to A, but we're far off of where I'd like to risk on that.
Yeah.
Like, if I do want to get involved with SOPA, but I have to give it up to 4. That's my problem, because that's kind of that risk level for me on it. Like, I'd probably just.
A lot of those backside plays are kind of holding up, like the Pally, the SLNH.
I know.
G, Cure, like a lot of the markets, these stocks have been holding, man.
Yeah, like I was taking a look at it was
XBI, like pumped higher, like.
XBIO, surprisingly, how this thing's holding up, and then ACXP's kind of been bleeding a little bit. ACXP, that was the pump a couple days ago.
NUAI, I feel like it's worth a little bit of attention off that 3-something level, just because we saw that big wick down. Like, it's not necessarily screaming or anything, but I think
it is a beautiful hangover. This is exactly what a hangover looks like. The only concern is all the sectors involved with it and whatnot. So I'd probably size a little smaller and just risk the 320. But you see,
floppies, damn.
Yeah, if you take a look at NUAI, this previous close is staying heavy there. So you could keep it tight, even like the 290s.
Yeah.
I'd probably. Yeah. I'm gonna probably go smaller and risk 320 just to give it a little bit more wiggle room. And outside of that, we didn't even mention BJDX, which could give back some more today. BJDX was the warrior pump yesterday. That really didn't pan out. I mean, it stayed heavy all day yesterday. So we got 328s the previous close there. And dude, I didn't watch his video, but yesterday I was thinking, like, how is he going to make any money today? There's nothing that held up, but I saw his thumbnail. He made like 25 grand.
That's what I'm saying. The dude's in Trader Rehab and makes like 40K, like casually, like Trader Rehab though. Like, bro, get out of here. Like, what?
Yeah.
Hey man, bouncing back. Yeah, he has
I
some
just don't
cool.
know what he traded. I don't know what he traded yesterday. It
I think
must have been just
it was BJDX.
yeah.
Yeah,
This would have been the only thing I would have thought he would have traded, and I'm like, well, it didn't. What did he
he
scalp
was
it?
pumping the top. He was selling the top. Like he was the top, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. He pumped it. I think he was said like yeah, 730. He was the top.
Degen James. Degen James is our inside scoop in there. He scalped it. All right.
I did see some of his video. Yeah, he said he was like in at 730. So he literally was the top. And then
At 7:30.
yeah.
Gotcha.
Um. Yeah.
All right,
I'm
I'm gonna get some of these loaded up.
I'm gonna hop over on my phone right into Bell. Just I get a little bit of lag, so I'll be right back, guys.
Okay. Guys, I'm looking for a good solid green day today. If we got payouts coming, it's been last week was a great green week. This week's been a green week so far. Want to have a good, nice, good little green day today to end the week, and then that's going to motivate me for a celebratory Friday night live stream because we're going to have fades payouts and payout on the way here, so it's going to be a good time. I'm gonna load up the trade the pool funded watch list, and then get ready to go. There's a few again. It's the SOPA is interesting for still backside continuation. XBIO perhaps. That one's on the radar as well. NUAI, James, I'm going to still be looking at that one against 320, but I'm like 50-50 on it. It's Energy AI, and you saw the 250 like lower wicks. It has buyers there. I mean, they just keep stepping in, so I'm like not so convicted with it, but I'll take the trade. I mean, it's a decent setup. And SLE Super League. Oh my God, it's selling off so much. Yeah, I mean that's what happens oftentimes, especially when it made like a recent move, like it just did. You got all those longs underwater that are like, oh my God, thank you. I have an exit now. So that's what's going on there. And then GWH. And that's why I reference that a lot, looking left to predict right, because if like on SLE, seeing that recently, it's hard to sustain those moves when you recently did that. If you haven't done that at all, it's like that's my mindset on NUAI. NUAI hasn't spiked to these levels ever, so it doesn't have any longs underwater really at those levels. Sky's the limit, right? I could see SLE doing that, yeah, giving it all back, James. Yep, I could see it. All right, we got fades on the phone.
So GWH is our king of the day. So we've seen how that reacts. Open. Besides that, SGBX is second king. Right? Am I missing anything? Let me refresh my scanner.
SLE, SGBX, and GWH. You're on it. Yep.
Okay.
QNRX. QNRX just popped up. 8 to 15. QNRX.
Right at Bell too, guys. Might
They
be worth watch. What's going on?
announces a $100 million private placement.
Is it getting a bunch of volume right now?
Yeah. It's pulling back kind of hard though, but QNRX one to just be mindful of.
Yeah. Let's see how the price action reacts. Either GWH or QNRX. QNRX dumping right now. Hey man, that's about to get a lot of volume, guys. QNRX. That's gonna be wild looking west at the bell. Look out.
Oh, hey, that may be a reason to watch it, though, you know?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, QNRX. Keep an eye on it.
Yeah, I'll be watching that out of the gates. And then otherwise, I'm not going to be too. I'm just going to kind of let the trades come to me, man. 10 seconds.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Watch it all come down. Market's open. Let's get it, traders.
Like Halton, one way or the other, you think.
Right. Yeah, I'm monitoring it for that. Oh my God. Thinkorswim is
Like,
delayed.
is it?
Yeah. Yeah, trade the pools actually.
I
The
think I'm
one.
seeing the there. On QNRX, it looks like it's accurate.
Yeah, QNRX shooting straight up, guys. Straight up. Oh man, what are the levels here? It's got a few wicks up at around 15 to 16. QNRX, a few wicks past our history around these levels, and then outside of that, it's going to be like 20 resistance.
GWH, keep an eye on that former king. Warriors might migrate over to QNRX now that halt up and stay. GWH guys heavy. Taking 100 share starters to kind of vibe it out.
GWH, okay.
355.
GWH, you got the starter
Big
going.
seller,
Okay.
355. See if it's true. So I sized it into that 355. If 355 blows out, I'll cover immediately. Okay, it's washing. 355 coming back. So I'm literally gonna put my. Okay, yeah, it came back. See if it's gonna bounce from here now.
SLE's kind of looking heavy. I could see that one staying heavy.
Yeah. Okay.
It's green right now, but you know, it's freaking Super League.
Scam Central.
I don't know.
GWH guys, 3.5 is feeling very heavy here, guys. A lot of wicks. Set my stop with small risk and forget about it. It seems like it's about to dump though, guys.
Yeah,
GWH, another watch under. QNRX halted up. SGBX. SGBX. SOPA pumping a little bit. NUAI dumping a little bit, guys. NUAI, I called that trade yesterday. I'm interested. I mean, it's kind of trappy though. It feels trappy. They released AI news yesterday. Some Sandra AI bot. I don't know, something.
Yeah, NUAI definitely has my interest against the 320, and it's kind of slow right now. I think I'm going to take NUAI.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to take NUAI.
GWH.
Really against like 3. I don't really want NUAI back over 3, so that's going to be my stop on it.
Mm-hmm.
XBIO, that one dumb.
NUAI, I'm seeing a big seller at 285, and then the bidders at 27. NUAI, where'd you say your stop is?
Over 3.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it feels like good risk reward here, to be honest.
SLE just staying heavy. SLE staying heavy. God, dude, PWM dumped. Your GWH looks pretty good too.
GWH might be on elevator one. Yeah,
Everything
GWH
is
could be
dumping.
on elevator. I know we're seeing that theme though. Like it's almost better to just let the Warriors have the pre-market and then come in and fade it all because like the pumps have been aggressive, but then they've just faded well.
I'm gonna
Like the
take
follow through has been
GWH
good.
360.
Yeah,
360
it's starting to get a little
GWH, I'll
back
take it.
again. I think off like 3.8, 3.85 is a good
I'm
level.
thinking
There's
that too.
so many. If it reclaims those wicks, then okay. Like, here we go. Wash out, guys. GWA.
I may have to size this one.
Yeah, I'm scaling it a little bit now on that, and I'll bring my stop down. If it even reclaims that candle into like the 3.6s, 3.7s, right? And you don't have to give these much room. They start to reverse on you. But you got to be careful, like, because it's going to hit that 8% threshold with another, like, washout, and you won't be able to add to it. So, got a couple hundred shares there now. Keeping an eye on it, though, because it's keep in mind, this is bell trading. It's only 5 minutes in. Like, they could run this thing all the way back up now. Like, we've seen the market do that, too. So, that's why, like, if it even comes back past that wick it just put in on the 1 minute, 3.57, like, I'll start to cover it. Because I just, after coming all the way to 3.35 to then reclaim 3.57, I don't want to see that. That's not a good sign. So here we go. They're going to start to come back. Should be heavy from here. I mean, I'm bringing my stop down for the other sides at like 3.7s, 3.75, even like 3.6 something.
Yeah, don't buy up here. I'm gonna hit it again right here and bring the stop down too.
Just keep the tight stop because if it's going to come back up anymore, that's going to start to get sketchy on a reclaim. After touching 3.35, yeah, so careful.
3.65, 3.65,
Could be
3.66.
Yeah, just be wary of the bear trap, but I think we should be fine. Yeah, my stops are scaled 3.6 to 3.7 at this point. That would kind of like ruin it for me.
Yeah. It hasn't really elevated down
so
yet.
Yeah.
QNRX halted down. QNRX halted down.
Oh man, dude, I should have snagged that on the. So what's the deal with the competition, bro? What's the deal with that?
Oh, I don't know.
Like how many people? Like, hold on. Put my stop. I just put split my stop up in thirds because if this reclaims much at all, I'm just gonna leave it alone. Like, I'm not gonna play with it. After that wash down, it needs to stay heavy from here. It's just gonna be like,
Yeah, I agree.
QNR halted down, but it didn't dump that much before it halted. Like there's still meat there. 65% up. Interesting. Any news here? Private placement up front warrants. Of course, the offering pump. GWH, you piglet. Needs to hold like this range here, bro. I'm gonna start getting stopped out on it.
Yeah, I got a fairly tight stop, 365. I want to stay heavy down here, but it's balled up right there. We'll see.
Yeah, that's annoying. This needs to be like, I mean, there's so many wicks that just pushed it down, so this should be This should be heavy, but
you would think this would be an opportunity for more shorts to get involved, longs to get their eggs.
Yeah, this should be like the golden short zone. Like this is a true like short do or die level, really, on the bias. Like if it keeps replaying
so SOPA's given a little pop. I like that.
Okay, up 4%. Yeah, like sloppies. Here we go. Here we go, GWH. Dude, should I short this on the comp? Oh!
What?
I'm gonna
What am
smack
I
it on the
missing?
comp. Oh, I'm up 500K on the competition. I mean,
Dude, I
I'm
saw your
playing.
name on there. Oh man, I saw you on there. That was sweet.
Yeah, so I guess I'm fine. I mean, I don't know how many people are going to continue to the finals, right? That's what I was asking you, like 10 people. I think I heard someone say 10. Is that
What's the profit target on this GWH, dude?
2? It's up 100% still, bro. That's all I know. Literally like 253, like 320 maybe, or three. I know we got room. We got room to 3. Like let's test $3.
I want to put an
320 is
order
gonna be
out
here
because
in
it
one more.
keeps wicking around.
Yeah, be conservative and go ahead and secure some. So I'm in 400,000 shares on the competition, all in 1.4 million. Looking for a quick couple 100K, the life of a market maker. But this thing's got to work first. It's got to stop toying around. So I'm gonna scale my stops. There's a strong claim, dude. Like I can't play with this thing. It's gonna reclaim. I'm gonna take a little paper cut and keep pushing.
NUAI's working out. Damn, I'm about to get
That's
stopped
why
out of this
we
thing.
have. Dude, this piglet. Yeah, I pretty much just stopped out. I got one more order. The last little bit of my position. See, this is that bell trading that we talk about. That reclaim theme.
I'm gonna hit
Yeah.
NUA. Oh, I was about to hit
There's so many
NUAI again.
wicks.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's so many wicks, like 3/7s, like it can't go any higher. It's gonna invalidate. But
Yeah,
they just stop everyone.
I'm just gonna be done with
My
that
final
one.
bid
Toying
would
around.
be, yeah, yeah. I'm leaving the last bit of mine stops 381, and I'm gonna just move elsewhere and let that breathe.
NUAI, I'm sizing that one a bit here. It already gave a little pop,
Nice.
so I'm wanting it to stay heavy.
GWH just gave it all back. GWH just gave that whole reclaim back, dude.
Oh my god.
This is why I scaled my stop in thirds and didn't totally throw in the towel, right? Because
Yeah,
shit
that's
like
smart.
this, like so.
QNRX open. QNRX open. We'll see what that one does. SGBX is like looking heavy too. Against 620. SGBX is kind of on elevator watch, bro.
Okay. Okay.
Against 620. I'm gonna stab at it
SOPA
against
NUAI looks great. GWH getting heavy again.
SGBX. I'm stabbing at it against 620.
Okay,
This elevator watch. Just be mindful.
Okay. Yeah, it is. Let me dabble.
SGBX. The
Let's
elevator
go,
watch.
I might have chased it with the rule or whatever, but
Dude, the intuition, bro. The freaking tuition.
yeah.
Oh, baby. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Halt down, SGBX. Give us a halt down.
Looking for the halt down, baby. GWH looked like bag holder tradition, guys. If this thing reclaims, dude.
NUAI, beautiful hangover working out. Let's go. I haven't taken anything off. SGBX, please, for the love of God, stay heavy. If that's the theme for me today, like with GWH2, like I'm just not taking anything, looking for bigger picture plays, and everything chops around, I'm gonna be pissed off.
Yeah, it's just bell, bro. It's the bell, man.
QNRX halted down.
What's that?
QNRX halted down.
Again?
Yeah.
I missed that. It probably was untradeable though, right? for us because the rules. Maybe.
Probably, yeah.
NUAI, yeah, that thing is working out well now. That was. And
This
then
SGBX should stay heavy here, man. It should stay heavy. Back up
Sopa's
towards 6.
interesting off this 3.7 level, but
It
that's a
is.
strong bounce it's having right now. I don't know. What's that? SGBX?
SGBX should stay heavy against that 620 rather. It's coming back down again, dude.
I'm seeing it. It's rejecting off some EMAs right now on the smaller
Mhm.
time frame at 5/8. So that's good to see. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. SGBX.
I wanted the elevator, the complete elevator down, like all the way to the first floor on that last sell-off.
STAI cheap penny play up 80%. Scam tech.
Scam tech.
Jumping right now. Scam tech, guys. Scam tech. STAI. 50 cent freak show. Is this thing dumping right now? What's going on? Do we have news? STAI.
That's a known pump and dump, isn't it?
NUAI is textbook fade, dude. Look at us. Like, that thing is just.
Are you with it too?
Yeah.
Good. SGBX beauty. Come on.
Mm-hmm. And then STAI, that thing's dumping. It's a known scam stock, huh?
I'm pretty certain it is, yeah.
It just came from 50 cents, guys.
And back to the ashes it goes.
Waiting for the halt.
Yeah, I seriously am waiting for a damn halt down on this SGBX. Come on.
It's a moment that waiting for the halt.
All right, I got my stop set. I'm going to try to SGBX.
SGBX, you piglet.
I got the 620 stop on it. I'm just trying to let it work.
Yeah, that's giving it a pretty good bit of room. I mean, that should be okay there.
It should be okay, yeah.
Reclaim, I don't know. I might. I was thinking like even just 6, honestly. Like mine's just right above 6 right now. But.
I really wish I would have taken it off and then re-hit it right here. That's what I'm regretful of.
I mean, depending on how much size you have, you can scale it a little bit, but depending on like your risk and everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's why it's nice to just get it super small, because then like you're not emotional and you can add to it and be like, well, I hit it really small. Now I know this is probably the real time I should add, so let me just add a little bit, manage my risk, right? It's like that really works out. So STAI, our new king, GWH, sleepy heavy, SGBX, toying around, but still feels pretty heavy. It's right here, just tinkering with that EMA.
Oh, yeah, the STAI, yep. QNRX, and yeah, I mean, I would have been probably waiting for $1, so.
Waiting for the halt down. I mean, you could get involved off that wick right there. Just put in at 8.2, like risk at 8.3.
GWH looks like it's about to snap.
Choppy. Yeah, it did. GWH, nice.
PWM snapping.
Which one? So
PWM.
Yeah, QNRX up, pumping again. GWH working. SGBX starting to work. Starting to look good on that smaller time frame. It keeps rejecting that EMA, guys. Feeling kind of heavy there, especially after that like sweep at 626 and the candle down and the rent's down. It's like it just has that vibe of like the top. So let's see if that stays true. GWH continuing to sell, follow through there. See how 3 reacts. STAI could be on elevator watch. Cheaper penny play, tricky. Just go real small size there, guys. Keep this tight. Stop tight.
GWH, yeah, that one's working out well. Annoying. Oh, I got stopped out there.
Yeah. And SOPA is interesting, dude. So off this level, like good risk reward SOPA right now, it kind of feels.
Mm-hmm.
Did this STAI have any news? Are you seeing anything?
Oh, I don't know. Probably not.
Looking like it's kind of heavy, bro. Scam Tech AI. It's got AI in its name. I mean, that's enough for the bots to buy it up a little bit, unfortunately. I was thinking about NUAI. That just sounds like a ticker that's themed for this market, like New Era Energy and Digital. Like, like they're just playing right into this whole market, right? But it's a red day, and now it feels truly backside. So let's see. Waiting for the hog down. All right, let me refresh the scanner.
SGBX looking good.
We got our hands full right now. I'm in 4 plays, dude. That's kind of a lot.
NUAI is still looking great.
STAI cracking a little bit. I did take a tiny little bit there off the 8-3, the degenerate that I am.
That you are.
67 is gonna be my cover.
Yeah, I think you're right about SOPA.
Yeah, should we like get involved there?
The spread's not good on BTP.
SPX grinding again, guys. Tricky one. Might turn into the king here. Careful. It's really held that 5.8, 5.9 level. Don't really want to see it above that. Honestly, I'm gonna be done over 6. They might sweep it at 6 though, so 620 might be like the smart stop, but I don't know how much room I'm gonna give it. Let me see here.
Yeah, it's kind of getting at a do or die level here.
Yeah, I'm gonna kind of hyper focus on it and scale in or out if I need to here. Because it's my only trade that's not working out right now. So give it a little bit more attention and see what it's gonna do here. Yeah, it's kind of funky. Let's see. Might take it off for now, to be honest, bro. I'll chase it. I took it off. I'm gonna chase it if it confirms here. I'll just resmack it, but I took it off. Might have took it off too early, but all my other trades are working, so I'm just gonna study the tape now and maybe smack it on like a sweep above 6, or I'll chase it again with small size if it holds this 5.8 level.
Yeah, smart.
Okay, the 5.8 gave up. There was a bidder at 5.8. It's gone. Yeah, this is do or die level for sure.
Yeah, I think SOPA's decent to get involved with here.
Yeah.
What's the actual spread on SOPA? It's a decent spread. QNRX halted up now. God dang it, SLE was such a beautiful fade. Ugh.
Waiting for the lockdown. I'm so sorry. Yeah, kind of a weird day. It doesn't feel like anything's that great of a setup. Like just
BJDX ended up giving a decent entry, hitting the previous close.
okay.
I like the SGBX quite a bit. It's hitting this resistance head and shoulders really well and getting rejected
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
off of it.
I'm back in it a little bit smaller. There's a big bid at 5.7, guys. If that wipes, that could be two big bids. 5.7 is showing a little bit of support now. Are they done with it?
It's just holding up a little bit more than I thought it was going to. Is the problem here.
Yeah, and then GWH is not wanting to completely roll over yet either. The trend's getting pretty clear though, so I'm gonna bring my stop down.
It feels like it's either going to be SGBX or GWH that's going to get some bullish volume on it. Like they're going to try to pump one of those. I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm still like really small size in these positions, kind of letting the morning play out, just reveal itself.
Mm-hmm. Again, QNRX has been kind of like that king of the day so far.
Yeah. Yeah. Which is good, us working these other plays. Okay, so 5.7 was a lot of support, guys. SGBX, keep an eye out. This could be like the elevator watch now. This 5.7's quiet.
Yeah, the true elevator on watch right now. I might have to hit this again here.
5.7s are getting hit, guys. I just added.
I just don't want it to crack under and then pop right back up.
Yeah,
I want it to
exactly.
stay heavy.
I'm kind of like scalping it at this point until it like makes the bigger move down or like reverses basically. Waiting for the halt down. STAI sleepy fade there. Just 10 cents is just tricky on this stock, so they're only up at 80 cents. I can't really call it out.
It almost feels like the rug is going to get pulled. Like SGBX feels like something's about to happen. The rug's going to get pulled, or she's just going to shoot straight up.
Yeah, the support at 5.7 is now gone from what I'm seeing, so it might be the latter. So I'm just my fingers on the trigger to cover. I sized it a little bit, not much though. I mean, just a little bit. How are you guys doing so far this morning?
I really haven't had much working out. Yeah, I'm break even right now, depending on what SGBX does. I mean, that might.
Yeah.
If it flushes, I'm good. Good and green. Get that payout going.
Yeah, so it feels so good to have two accounts. I can just like let that one sit now. I know that like I'm getting a payout on Monday. Like I'm not gonna touch it. I've done what I need to do. I made the profit. I met the expectations. Like, and that's a good feeling. So now I'm just working on my 25K and competition. And then, like last night, I took a big trade in another eval I had. Right, I was a little more aggressive, saw a good setup, so I took it on the eval. All right, SGBX is working out. So far, so good. Let's see,
Needs to
guys.
panic down.
Elevator watch. GWH Piglet reversing. Good call there. I'm covering GWH, guys. Yeah, you called that. It's like one's gonna kind of get a little bit of love and one is not. So GWH, the annoying one, it's pumping, guys. I'm all out. I covered that. Small loss.
Well, fingers crossed they don't both pump. One of you fade.
Yeah, I'll be watching SGBX to cover pretty quickly here if it starts to get some bounce. And STAI, that sleepy, stupid penny play might be the one that saves me. NUAI, our darling. NUAI, our darling, dude. It might be time to tunnel in and really start milking that thing. That thing's bearish, bro. It's giving good levels off 2.7 right now to size it. I'm gonna add a little bit to NUAI. Maybe I'll stop now.
Oh my god, dude. Come on, SGBX. Why are we holding on right here?
Yeah, I'm gonna scale out if it. There's some support coming back. So I just took half off, dude. I'm not liking all this support, but there's also asked at 5.8, so I'm gonna be really tight and put my stop like 5, just like in the 5.8.
My entry's 584. That's my stop. I don't want it back. I don't want to go red on this name. I've been green.
Yeah, I agree. Like, there's a wall at 5.8. Like, if that gets chewed up too, and they keep churning it, like whatever. So what do we think about SOPA here? Is it time to get involved and smack that? Dude, is this STA stock? I'm gonna give it up. It's about to hit my profit target.
I think SOPA's probably a good, like, slow bleeder, man, on this pop, but we'll see.
Right? You think so? Kind of what I was thinking too.
I mean, the stop would be like 380s, 90s, you know? QNRX straight up. QNRX straight up into 19, dude. This was that range left of the chart, bro. QNRX. Dude, I might have to get the competition loaded up. Because 20
yeah, you're right.
and just smack the shit out of QNRX at 20.
Me. I forgot I'm in the stupid GWH play. I just took a 30K loss on that. Oh. I was probably up at some point. GWH. So that's a piglet. Yeah, I think it's a pig. SGBX. What are you gonna do? Like 2 points.
How's the green team doing, though?
Yeah.
QNRX. Yeah, so what are you thinking with QNRX? Yeah, straight up she goes.
I don't know. Kind of scared. Maybe just have some fun on the competition. If it screams.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the competition. The competition shotgun.
SGBX piglet.
Is it not? What's she doing? Oh, it stopped me out at break even. Whatever. Whatever.
Yeah. And that's the spirit. Whatever. I mean, they're not working out. We can't fight it, right? GWH and SGBX are kind of grindy, kind of still going up. So we just gotta let them be and focus on what's working, right? NUAI is working. I scaled it a little bit. STAI, I took a tiny trade there. My stop's at break even. See what that's gonna do. SOPA is interesting. We've been calling for this thing. Like, what's the deal here? Is it time to? What are you thinking? What's the spread look like?
SOPA, the spread's actually consistent with Thinkorswim right now.
3.5 and 3.54.
GWH, I may revisit against some of that pre-market resistance on a pop.
Yeah, it is kind of tempting. I mean, this could be just a sloppy pop here. In real reality, it's up 100%. You just don't want to keep getting involved and keep giving it up and start uptrending. Like I made that mistake in the past, overstaying, right? Like it's kind of clearly basing and grinding here, so might just have to wait for like a death candle confirmation to get back involved. SGBX, I
I'm not
stopped
getting.
5.9s, so let's see. Because
I'm gonna
remember,
get.
SGBX also like that 6.2 is really, it's sometimes we tunnel in a little too close to this micro action, right? Because we're in a little too heavy, and then we've done that before. We talk about like we're just zoomed in a little too much on the time frame, right? Maybe in a little too heavy. But when we size small and zoom out a little bit for the bigger picture fades, right? Like GWH, I just stopped out, but now is this thing about to freaking like? Should I just been a little bit smaller size and gave more wiggle room? Like same thing, SGBX. See, look, now this thing's starting to fade. It's like that's the problem. Sometimes we it's tricky, right? That fine line of like tunneling in too much and managing risk or giving it room.
Right. Yep. Emotionally, I was like, I'm not going red on SGBX and took it off. Now GWH might work here off of that VWAP test.
And yeah, and see, look at that. Look at that. SGBX now gets strength
Yeah.
as the other one fades. So this is really interesting stuff to keep note of, guys. And then STAI might be giving a sloppy seconds level here, guys. If you think you can get that 10 cents, I might add a little bit here because it's almost back to my entry.
STAI.
Yeah, and look for like that 10-cent washout scam. Freaky Fridays. Maybe by 4 o'clock it'll just give it up, right? But I don't know.
QNRX halted up again, 22.
Oh my god, dude! Someone's gonna freaking get rich on the competition. EW8. Back involved really small here. I think I am. Yeah, this thing's heavy, dude. It's
GWH.
trapping. Yeah, I'm gonna get back involved smalling in there. Set my stop at the high. Just put in 371. Sticking with it. 200 shares. Nothing crazy. All right.
Yeah, I'm pretty much doing the same thing here. I like it against that high too. It just put in.
SGBX. Yep, SGBX got the love. So we'll see what GWH is going to do. Maybe that'll be the one that's going to elevate it for us.
I'm trying to catch another entry on it, but it's not popping really.
STAI, that might be the sloppy level, guys. Dang it, should have added.
All right, I'm in heavier GWH.
Okay. Yeah, just monitor it because they've been toying with this there.
Well, I'm just setting the stop at like 364-ish,
Okay.
Pretty much that VWAP test she put in.
Today even feels like a good day to just tinker around on the eval, right? Like
SGBX might be on elevator watch again, dude. Are you kidding me?
Oh, dude, I hate this. Yeah, this is where it's like we just need to take 100 shares and just set
Yeah,
our
that's what I'm doing.
stops and forget
Setting
about
the
it.
stops. I'm forgetting about it, and
Right? It's like that's what it's telling us, right? Like we know that. That's like years of market experience. Like seeing these charts, seeing the action. It's like we know we need to just size down like a third and widen the stop and just let it be at this point. Like forget about it. Because you zoom in too much on those time frames, right? And that's right where they want us. Getting wicked out, over leveraging, getting trapped on that. But it's like we know bigger picture how these plays end out. Like, and if they don't, we set our stops and we accept that risk, right? But yeah, I think that's my plan for those two going forward. Right? Let's not just get sucked in that muck. Like,
Yeah. Because now SGBX is popping up. Just stopped me out 6.
yeah, yeah, yeah. SGBX might be like the one that pumps to $7 or $8 now. Warriors are getting rowdy there.
SOPA is working out.
Okay, where's Sofa at? I need to chase that thing now. I got a bad entry. Or I didn't get my entry, but there's a seller at 3.5. Okay, I got a starter there. Oh, it's so nice, like not worrying about the volume rule though, because that was like a struggle on the evals with these backside plays that we like to work.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, dude, Sofa looks really good, to be honest.
I was about to. You took my 340 order right there.
Yeah, I
It
just
disappeared.
smacked. Yeah, I'm live. They saw I'm having a green week, so they're like multiplying my trades by like 5x, and they're like
Yeah.
literally riding my good momentum.
That 340 just swiped right off there.
Yeah, I'm in now. 300 shares. I like that setup, bro.
Me too. I like it a lot. I got to order out. I don't want to get involved with that spread. See if I can get like a 339 fill.
Yeah, just chill out on it. Try to, yeah.
Otherwise, I'm just with GWH right now. That's it.
Yeah, I'm with GWH, STAI. You took NUAI off?
Yeah, I took it. I was like, it was just started to base at my 10 cents, and I was like, oh god,
Yeah. All
I
right,
don't
my
want it to
phone's
grow.
about to die. I'm hopping back on the computer.
Okay. QNRX straight up. This is like feeling like a toughish kind of day so far. I mean, I don't want to fight the day. Yeah, it's feeling a little. QNRX definitely has my interest. Really just in GWH, QNRX I'm monitoring, SGBX FU, and GWH. Like an elevator down GWH, that would help me on the day. That would very much help me on the day. I'm not really down much. Just haven't really got much working outside of NUAI. What's going on, Fades?
All right, we're back.
We're back. QNRX monitoring that for when that opens up. And then, yeah, I was just telling them it's like, today's feeling like one of those days where I need to have some discipline.
Yeah, something told me this morning, like trade the eval, and I'm down like 100 on the day right now. It's just not, things just aren't really working too well at the moment. So I'm, very small size in these plays, let them work. But yeah, if things don't continue to work, I'll hit the brakes or maybe hop over the eval or tinker out with the comp. Not gonna force it. I had a good week. Like I'm fine with a couple hundred red day, dude. I've had a massive week. So if that's how today's gonna be, like that's fine. Like I know that, like we talked about. As long as I don't have my blow up day, like I'm like buying through max losses, like that's a thing of the past. I'm not doing that.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
I'm above that. Like, this is this is serious. Like I'm about to take a good payout on Monday. Like I'm gonna keep this momentum going and accept the losers, right? Like my success rate is about a coin flip. Like I'm gonna lose just as much as I win, but I'm gonna win more. And like that's just the name of the game, right? Like the red days are gonna happen, but the green days are gonna be twice as big. So
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, your risk reward's what right now?
Lately it's been like 2-3, but usually it's like
Wow.
1-1-5, 1-1-8, something like that. But lately I've been like doing really good, so it's been like over 2.
Yeah, good work, man. That's
And the
excellent.
success rate's been like coin flippy.
STAI looks good.
Yeah, 10 cents might be problematic, but it did just come from 50. Here, let me see.
QNRX is so tempting, bro. I probably should just go to the comp with that.
Yeah, you want to play around the comp with it with me? I'm at 1.5 mil right now on the comp. What am I in, like third or fourth?
Oh yeah, you were third on there.
I got
QNRX.
distracted, bro.
I'm
Did you
going.
have like the, what is it? Top 10 go to the final round, or what is it? Do we know?
Oh, I don't remember. I don't recall. I'm
Okay.
hitting QNRX heavy when this thing opens up. That's all I know on the comp, at least.
I might get involved on like an eval though, because remember you can play the volatility on your eval to get funded. So QNRX, I might get on my other 50K eval and kind of work it, get a little frisky there. Kind of let these other plays just marinate in my funded. I think that might not be a bad play with the way today's going.
Yeah, I really want to get some trades going on the funded, but man, it's
I
just
got 4 hangovers working or 4 plays working, so I think I'm just going to sit with those, manage risk, and kind of shift over and tinker with the eval and the competition until something else shows up. I think that's going to be my game plan. I don't want to like lose focus of the trades I'm managing though, because I do have a couple grand in exposure on the funded right now between these.
G to GWH popping up a little bit right now.
Is it, dude? That thing's turning into a grinder a little bit. Like
I don't know what I'm adjusting my stop to. Probably like 3.6.
mine's 371. I just got 200 shares there at 371. It just put in a top at 36 something, but I think it might just pump here, man. I don't want to take it off too soon again and get emotional, but
It's annoying.
let me zoom out here a little bit on this chart. It could go test VWAP. Wait, or is it testing VWAP? VWAP's at
It got rejected pretty hard on that pop right there. This might be an ad zone.
VWAP is 366, so I mean like 3.7s, give it wiggle room is probably
That
good. QNRX halted up again, dude. What happened? Smack it short now on the competition degeneracy.
Oh, I put too many zeros. I put too many zeros. Still too many zeros?
I missed
Hang on,
it.
what's the reject? Instruments halted. That's why it wouldn't let me.
Yeah.
I was like trying to go 100,000 shares.
Degenerate. You're like, so this is what phase feels like. Some of those halt videos are hilarious, dude.
Oh my word, yeah.
All right, yeah. So GWH, I mean, it feels heavy. It's just a little choppy, but 3.7, 3.8 should be good. My stop's at 3.71.
It feels elevator downish right here
VWAP
after that reject.
365.
SGBX SGBX the 620 is interesting, but I've already taken 2 pretty much losses there. I'm just gonna
Yeah,
not trade SGBX. She's grinding.
yeah, I know what you mean. It's turning the king of the day. Warriors are there. Yeah, Warriors are raging there. James, we know you're there. You're congregating. Tell us.
Doug, you're seeing 50 QNRX?
I see that too, 40, 50. I don't know if that's true, but damn. Yeah, maybe smack it this time. Because how many halts up is that, right? Isn't there some kind of golden rule, like after 3 halts up, you short it or something like that? Maybe we short it now on the comp and resumption, right? And get a little degenerate. Start scaling it. I mean, that's going to be what my plan, actually. On this next resumption, I'm going to start scaling it on the comp.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what my plan was too.
Do it. Because, like you said, the risk rules, so we can get involved right into the halt and stuff. Like, we're not worried about the rules with it, right?
STAI heavy, right?
PBX Piglet, dude, it's dumping. Ugh.
Wait. We can get involved. We can get involved.
Do we chase it off that? Do we chase it? Do we size it one more time off 6.3, bro?
Off of 620s. Yeah, I'm hitting it one more time against like 625.
Okay.
625 is my stop.
626 for me. Yeah. 100
627.
shares, 626. You freaking piglet. I'll give you $25 more. Go ahead, take it. Freaking
And
scammers.
God, today is kind of annoying. I don't know if I'm trading much else after these two because
Yeah.
I'm getting a little aggravated here.
SOPA and NUAI working well. What's that? STAI is this kind of sleepy, churny. Um, GWH, sleepy, heavier. GWH, guys, it's really got that elevator watch vibe. Like, it might be worth tunneling in here and like sizing and like, you know,
Should I
managing your
change my channel name to Elevator Down? Because every ticker we look at, we're like, "Ooh, elevator, elevator, elevator." We just
elevator watch.
everything we see is the elevator.
Dude, yeah, last night that was one hell of an elevator. I made 1 grand on that 50K eval in like 20 minutes, dude. On that dump.
Oh my god,
And
that's too
I
funny.
sold, I only got half of the move. Like it went like 50% lower than that. Like that's crazy. Yeah, those account, I mean those trades, those are the type that you fund these accounts with, like
Hmm.
we preach, like get, a little aggressive on the eval when that A plus setup, like don't be afraid to size it because your risk to reward. If you have a big trade on the eval, get halfway to your profit target, then maybe hit the brakes a little bit, but out the gates on these eval guys, like you see a good trade, don't be afraid to swing. That's my philosophy. But again, once we're funded, baby steps, baby steps to the payout, like, you know,
Yep, do your Dave Ramsey baby
jog your
steps.
way, yeah, jog your way to that payout, hit your Q on the day, manage your risk, never buy out of a max loss, like protect your account and your psychology at all costs.
Just all I need is like one of these work out real well, and then I'm good on the day. SGBX or GWH.
Yeah, so I'm just flipping through my positions now and adjusting my stops because I am in 5 trades.
Come on, come on, come on!
Which one?
SGBX, elevator down. Come on to the bottom floor. Please don't
I'm
bounce
not
yet.
in heavy enough. Hold on, I'm not in heavy enough.
Okay, let's size it a little bit here.
Don't get all excited on me, bro. I only got 100 shares. What's going on here, bro? Don't fake me out. I'm like looking at my P&L. I'm like, what's going on? Nothing's moving.
Nothing's moving. Come on, SGBX. Come on. Come to daddy.
All right, I added 50 shares with your enthusiasm, bro.
And it hasn't even cracked yet. Oh man, it's still right on that, dude. It's on like that support line still. So really, it hasn't. It did just dump about 10-15 cents, but if we get a crack under this line again, dude, we're headed to like 540. All right. And just at 10:30. Oh, here we go. Here we go. SGBX.
GWH2, guys, this could be like, we see this too, like things dump at the same time as well.
Yep.
Like things capitulate, like GWH capitulation right now, elevator watch.
Get your Charmin ready. Come on. We're dumping.
Uh-oh.
Put it back. Put it. Yep.
That's GBX, bro. I'm about to cover this thing again, man. I don't like this thing, man. Come on.
If I'd been scalping, I'd be all right. I'm gonna leave them on for the day. I
It's
think
in
like
yeah.
as long as I don't get stopped, I'm gonna try to leave those on. Bigger picture play.
Mhm.
QNRX. What are we doing there, guys? QNRX. Oh my God, Doug. May the force be with you, Doug.
Looks like it didn't do 5 minutes, so we're gonna be opening there in 3 minutes, guys. Probably. SGBX, yeah, off the 6.2 now. Like, I mean, it better be done at 6.2.
GWH. I need to reverse psychologize. Apparently I need to just not say anything or reverse psychologize it. So SGBX, can we pump? Let's pump right here. Maybe that'll work.
You're heading over to Josh's channel soon, aren't you?
Yeah, 10:30 in 5 minutes. I'll post that
Yeah.
link. I'm gonna go over
Yeah,
there
I'll follow you there. Go check him out. I haven't seen his channel. That's
and
cool.
just talk about what I look for and whatnot, and
All right.
hang out with his peeps. Copy.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna
Cool.
copy that link and put it down here. I'm gonna be heading
Okay.
over there just for a little bit. But join the Discord, guys. And if I get a Green Day going, regardless, I mean, regardless if I get a Green Day going, I mean, it's looking all right now for that payout, but we'll see. I'm not going to force the action. But if you guys want a Friday night live stream tonight, let me know and I can run it. I don't know. I mean, we'll see. We'll try to get a party going on in here, get a few
Yeah,
guys in here.
anybody that sees this now or later, if you want to hop on, just write in the Discord or comment or whatever.
Yeah.
Whatever you guys want to do. So.
Yeah, let us know in the Discord. We'll do that tonight, and we'll get Fades drunk again.
Oh God, no, dude! No way. No alcohol this weekend, guys. Maybe a toast or something, but no.
SGBX shooting back up. Oh my God, just I'm done. I can't.
Unreal, bro. Yeah. Everything else besides that piglet though is working out. STAI looks like I might get stopped out there. Let's see.
Oh yeah, I'm done. I'm done with SGBX. Wow, that's annoying.
I think
That's
it's
so
annoying, dude.
annoying.
Yeah.
God dang it, that's 3 losses on that. All right.
Yeah, no more.
GWH working out really well right now, though. Oh, baby, GWH. This is going to get me back to green on the day.
And then STAI, big rejection. Let's go, dude.
GWH down, doggy. 320 might bounce here. Should I do the smart thing and take something off?
Or just adjust your stop and take some off. Do a little bit of both.
All you need is one winner, man. Milk one winner, and you're good. That's what your risk reward showed, too. I got a 346 average. I'm kicking back, man. I'm kicking back.
Yeah, I'm chilling. Yeah, that trade was annoying, but the other ones are working out. NUAI, STAI, and GWH. SOPA, I'm break even right now, but I like the trade there. Let me check the scanners here.
Josh told me he's waiting to short QNRX, then he's going to get the Zoom set up.
Okay, cool. Oh, so you're not joining right this second, or you're gonna
Correct.
wait? Okay, cool. So just taking a look at the scanner, guys, see if we missed anything. No.
QNRX is so tempting on the short, but we have to wait a minute, right? So
Yeah, but we can get involved on the competition.
yeah, I'm gonna have that ready.
D-fly, piglet D-fly, down 10% today. That was one of the backside plays that we just we just neglected it. I called it. I put it on the watch list.
It's just that's the boring
Look
ones
at
we got.
9:30. Look at that. Right at 9:30, it just fell apart there. Textbook fallout. Something to note there. See that? Right at the 9:30. Just gave us 10 cents.
Yep. Right at the bell. I saw it. I saw that yesterday's action. I'm like, is it even going to move? I guess that was the thought.
Right.
QNRX, I got the shotgun loaded, guys. I'm going to load it up with like 50,000 bullets on the comp to start with.
Yeah. Is it about to open, guys? Oh, it's they haven't even done it, dude. It passed the 10-minute threshold, guys, so it might be a 15 or a 20. It just passed the 10 minutes. Uzo, where's your channel? I mean, guys, I have a channel, but it's not really stock stuff. I mean, I have a bunch of videos and different miscellaneous stuff about life, but I was gonna start making some stock content. It's really cool that me and Kevin linked up, though. This has been so awesome. Like, it's really been helpful for me and for him and for everybody. So I'm gonna start making some content, definitely with stock stuff. But for now, the streams are doing well for everything.
Yeah, there's we'll branch off in so many different ways. Unlimited opportunities.
Yeah, for sure. STAI, guys, a lot of resistance here into the eights. Could be a good level to get involved with a tight risk, but it's kind of churny here. It might keep going. So, and 10
Wait,
cents
did
is
we
also.
just halt up again?
Oh yeah, they just resumed it. Oh my god, yeah, it's live right now, guys. $32.
I can't get involved. It's not letting me. Yeah, it just says it's halted.
Yeah, it just halted again.
Wow, Doug, you're up. Good job, Doug.
That was weird. They waited like 12 minutes to unhalt it. That's such a weird time. That's like trappy, bro. You see that? So the
Yeah.
last trade was at 17, and then they unhalted it at 29. So it was a 12. It's like 11 minute and like 40 something second halt. That's sketchy. Like, see, that's just like manipulation, man. Like, what? I didn't even know they could do that. I thought it was always a set time frame, right? I guess not.
GWH crack under 320. I'm gonna start peeling off a little bit.
Okay.
It's about to crack under 320. Probably have an order ready because it might flush here.
Yeah, I'm just kind of sitting back on that one. It's up 100 something percent. The themes that we've seen, they've been giving up. So
You're right.
STPI strong. It's almost at my break even stop out. I'm thinking about scaling it. There's a lot of sellers at 8. I'm gonna give it a little bit more risk and scale it here. I gotta get 10 cents though. So I mean, I'm not screaming about the setup by any means. They might go ahead and stop me out right here. I'll just take a small paper cut. I couldn't get my 10-cent profit, so.
Yeah, GWH very heavy on this 320. Dude, I, like, even when I can't get anything going, I feel so dialed in, like streaming together, because I'm not pushing it, which could be problematic on a day like today. I'm like, I'm just kicking back, trade smart. It's not the day to push it. You can still have a really good green day just letting some of these bleed though. Like these bleeders.
Like yesterday, I sent you a screenshot. I'm like, dude, I had leftovers like $500 position, and it was like 200 green on that from that one short. Like, and that's a short. That's not a long. It's a short. $500 position, leftovers making $200. Like what? So and like this morning, I wish I would have, coulda, shoulda, woulda, but the 4 a.m. overnight is tricky. But like that fade I called from $20 to $7, like leftover galore, dude. Like, jeez. Like I should have been up at 4 a.m. disciplined, freaking printing money on that thing. In hindsight,
I know.
It's okay. STAI strong rejection, guys. I scaled it.
Good, 80 cents rejected hard right there. Yeah.
So my average is 7.8, and my stop is over 8. So I was like, all right, let me just
SGBX, good stop on our part, bro. Like we knew one of these was going to get it, and GWH we're kicking back on SGBX. We're just like we're not going to fight it. Okay, y'all bulls have it. Warriors take it over. We'll bleed the next one.
Yeah.
Good. I'm very satisfied with.
Yeah, good work there. We knew
just
it.
Stepping out of the way, stepping out of the way. I gave it 3 tries, and they were nearly scratch trades anyways.
Right. Yeah, good work there. Good, good consistency. Discipline.
Now, GWH on pops, do we hit it with more or just kind of kick back? It's like the bulls are having a day, aren't they, with QNRX and SGBX? Now, SGBX 720s.
It's like now GWH like 3.6, 3.5 needs to hold.
What's your adjusted stop down on that one?
Let me see. I'm going to scale it from... I'm going to do half and half, like 3... I guess 3.5s and 3.6s, somewhere in that range. I'm giving it some bigger picture room. It's like, I don't want to give it all back, but...
Yeah.
Maybe take like some off. I haven't taken any off yet, though.
Same. If I get the one winner, I let work out.
I'm trying to. I think it feels like I need to be greedy there.
Same. I'm feeling the same way. Yeah.
Up 90%. What's the fundies? Let me see. Did they have a? It's like we just trade the price action, man. Like that, at the end of the day, that's what matters. But once you're sitting in a play, it's good to start knowing the fundamentals. But by the time, sometimes by the time you're doing DD, like we know very well, you miss the trade. So
Right. Oh, damn. Zio had an elevator down. It wasn't up enough to really get too interested there. Oh, sorry, perfect fall. God, you need 6 more cents. I mean, it might give it still. We're kicking back with it. 3 to get funded. 320, of course. The 20-cent bouncing a little bit. I thought it may snap under it right there, but bouncing a little bit off the magic 20s. May come back down to it. And Mr. Bob, Green Team. What's going on, Bob? How's your day going today?
I'm just gonna have Q and RX pulled up because everyone's peeled on this now. It's like, what the heck?
Everybody's looking at it, dude.
Josh said he's gonna short it like on a funded or on a competition.
I don't know, but he was looking for the short like out of that last halt. So, which of course I was too. You know, I don't know what I'm. Q and RX, everybody on the funded. Yeah, I'll stab.
I'll take it on the competition and vibe it out, and then decide if I want to put my money on it or not. Like, what is my starter position on a 1.5 million account? I don't even know.
And then GWH, like what's even the news there? I don't know. Tech equity company. I don't know.
STAI is starting to work for me. I scaled that thing.
STAI, yeah.
I got 2,000 shares. I was able to scale it, and like I'm only risking like $40 or something now, right? But I can make 200 or more because I have to make 200 or more because of 10 cents. It's like just sitting in there scaling it when it's looking good and coming to certain levels. So I mean, I need 5 more cents there, but that'd be a nice little trade to make up for all this little.
Doug, my advice: do you do as you don't do as I say, do as you do, something like along those lines. But probably, take another two on the next haul, and then just have a stop break even. But dude, like what we've been seeing with some of these plays, like it could run to 400. QMMM or SG. Whatever that other one was, SPRB the other day that ran to a few hundred.
Mm-hmm.
So leaving like a couple that you just pretend like you just ignore, go into your coma, go take a nap, and set a stop on just like a couple shares at your average price or something. That's probably the idea. Just making sure you're locking something in along the way, but then leaving a very tiny piece to work with an adjusted stop break even. Yeah, that was SPRB, I think, that 360 one, yeah.
Yeah, that was a crazy one. So QNRX, I mean, we don't know when they're going to unleash this thing. They just got everyone just by the MMs are just like, it's like a puppet. Like
SGBX, is it going to reel me back in? I don't think so, but it's interesting there.
It might just need to be taken off watch, Sometimes I feel like that's the best thing to do after you take through like 3 or 4 losses on a trade, It's like you got to just not even look at it. It's just, it gets dangerous, right? The psychology starts to really wear with you.
But then perfect fall gets in it against 720, and I'm like, yeah, that's good. Like that is exactly what I would do if I took it again. But if I were to take 4 losses, I would.
Yeah, but if you're taking small enough losses, then you can do that, right? Like sometimes I take several paper cuts before a ticker works, but I'm managing my risk the whole time where I'm not even feeling those losses at all. Because
the losses are
one little trade, one good win, and it'll come back, right? So that's why my success rate's like lower. But like I always make more than I lose. Like,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's the coin flip, but a very good risk reward.
hmm
Yeah, I'm with you on that. If I were to show my chart here, they look fairly good. They're paper cuts.
and it makes sense because we're shorting stocks that are up a lot, right? So it's like the trend might keep going, but if the trade does work, typically it's going to fade a good bit back to where it came from, and it's just like math. Don't overcomplicate the math. Like we got a winning process. It's been proven. Like
Mm-hmm.
you guys see it day in and day out. I mean, we're literally it's all
Yeah,
documented.
yep. Funded and payouts on the way, so it works.
Literally.
GWH. I don't like this.
Yeah, we got to be careful. Today's weird. Like we continue to talk about the reclaims, the kind of choppy nature. So size small, protect any profits you got. Scale it. Definitely don't get ambitious today, guys. It's just not the day for that. I'm,
So,
I'll
yeah.
probably like accept a small L or a small red day if these trades don't work. But I'm not seeing. Let's see what else.
Yeah, I was break even on the day when GWH was at its lows, but I'm getting ambitious. Maybe I shouldn't be. I want to be just big picture with it.
Yeah, just size small so there's not any emotions and like just kind of keep it pushing. Like trust the process.
Mm-hmm.
That's really the key. Is like the minute we oversize, the minute we lose control. Like never forget that.
SGBX is there's just not much, There's just not much. SGBX is pretty much the play, and then
$90
QRX.
GWH, just see it through, bigger picture, I think.
Okay.
STAI was kind of like the high risk, high reward play for me that might pay.
Mm-hmm.
Um, NUAI and SOPA, the sleepy hangovers, they're just kind of sleeping. It's like small red, small green, and the other. Kind of see what they're going to do. NUAI might kind of base here. You took it off, right?
I did, yeah. I had the 10 cents and took it off.
Yeah, it might trend up from here. Kind of what it's been doing. Sweep down, fake everyone out, and then grind back up. It's kind of what it's doing now. So I'm going to put my stop to pretty much break even with that. NUAI. Good job locking the 10 cents there, though.
Yeah, sometimes I feel like that's a mistake because I'm trading the rule pretty much, but if
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
it's a tough one.
It is kind of basing here, though. I was looking at several other tickers, so I missed my exit, but now I'm going to have to cover for break even. So good eye there. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and cover for break even on the way today's going.
All right, perfect fall needs 632 on SGBX. 632 to get funded on the 50K max.
Careful,
Walking
bro.
away.
Careful, dude. Not oversized, man. Just don't get too ambitious, bro. I know because I've been there so many times. Like you size it big and like you need it to work, right? It's like you're gonna get there, brother. You're gonna get there. Just don't you know you know what to do.
There's
Yeah.
no application. Doug, what do you mean the no app fee? They didn't did they take that off? No admin ECN fees for this month. Oh, is it because you just signed back up again? Yeah, my original plan was to take the payouts and go back, have an account back over at CPRO. I mean, I may still do that.
Yeah, I think that on top of it, right? Because I forgot if it was Bob or Doug that brought up a point. There we go, SGBX. Come on, man. Give me 20 cents.
We may have a celebratory stream
Yeah,
tonight
I think we might. We might.
if Perfect Fall gets funded on the 50K max. As of October 1st. Well,
GWH continues to look good.
I need to do a video on that. They didn't tell me that.
Just don't let the price bounce back up on you. Go ahead and secure profits, and you can make one more trade if you need to, right? Just don't let it come back and give it up by trying to be too attached.
What did you tell me? It's, GWH or SGBX secure the bag?
Oh, I was talking to
SGB.
Paul.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's like,
just
damn
don't
it.
let it like reverse
Uh,
too much on you with like the
you
emotions.
guys see these damn emotions live. I'm like, I want to hit this again, but the worst thing you can do is just like hit it into eternity, and it never works out, you know. So I put that rule on myself where I'm like, okay, I take, 2 losses on this 3, and I'm done. I can't keep just stepping in front of. Okay, QNRX open. Oh my God, QNRX. Oh, competition account. Oh my God.
Turn it up again.
Oh, oh,
All right,
oh.
I got 400K starter position, 400K into the
It
halt
won't
hook.
let me. It's not letting me short it. I don't know
I'm
why. I
not
tried.
scared. I'm a brave market maker short.
What is that? 10,000 shares?
I took 10,000 shares at 41 short.
I was trying 50,000. Maybe it's just too large of an order,
Yeah, that's
dude.
too big. That's
Oh
big.
my
This is
God,
400K exposure. Like that's a quarter of my account. So
Doug! Congratulations, Doug.
what
Congrats.
happened? He's lose long.
He took the profits. Good. You rode
Nice.
that. You rode that from.
Oh
What was
man,
your
that's
entry again?
awesome. Wow, that's sick, bro.
At C Pro, right? C Pro. So you don't have any halt rules over at C Pro. Fates, maybe that's the plan. I think I'm gonna
Yeah,
do,
like we were talking. Yeah, back to that.
because that fee
Yeah,
did mess me up when I had $1,000 account. 10% of that coming out every month kind of messed my psychology up a little bit. I'm like, oh man, I gotta it's helping out a lot with this 25K to not think about all those fees.
yeah. I think once the cushion's built, and plus, like they're gonna be changing the law soon too. So like once we build up our accounts and stuff, we're gonna be considering what broker we want to go to. But for now, trade the pool is definitely a great tool to like build that starter capital or like build up. I mean, it's you can really make a lot. If you get like two of these funded accounts going, like I'm seeing, there's a lot of potential here. So it's a good place to be. But yeah, like I forget if it was Bob or Doug that was talking about the locate fees, right? So it's like when you see a good setup and you can't, it's just too expensive, it's not affordable offshore, then you can go to trade the pool and smack it. And then like when you see a great A plus setup and you want to put all of your own money on it, you got your C Pro account, you can hit it there. So like
Right.
we've
Yeah.
always talked about, you've been preaching that like open up shop at multiple brokers and have that power.
I think I may do that. Just so like, because these halts are powerful to place, at times too. C Pro.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, like the rules are very, they're not easy to work around. I mean, like we get used to them, but it takes months of like tailoring and changing your strategy. Like at first it was a nightmare for me. But like I've adapted and now I've like really kind of dialed in with trade the pool and what I have to do and how I get around things and how I maneuver. So it's like now I'm starting to reap those rewards, like after months of like adjusting because it's like when you add all the rules together, it becomes a little
Wow.
complex.
Yeah, they took the platform fee away. So are you paying them? Let me taking a look. Okay, the market data is $29.50 a month, but they took off the platform fee, $0 a month. So you just pay $30 a month for the real time market data now. That's up. Very cool.
SGBX,
Dude,
reclaim.
if we could get paid for liquidity at C Pro too, that would be like crazy. To adding
Mhm.
liquidity via some of the routes, that would be
I'm
like,
good. I'm good for that. I'm a liquidity pro. They
yeah,
love
because you
me. I was a
you
market
paid.
maker over there.
I know you paid like 20, 30 some $1,000 a year on. I
I
mean, you
was
would get
literally a
paid.
market maker.
It, yeah, you essentially would get paid to trade. Adding the liquidity.
And the other thing is too, we get so used to these spreads, so a lot of our profit evaporates. Like that's the dark truth with trade the pool. Like the spreads take away a lot of our profits. So that's another big, big thing when you go
A
back.
lot of GWH under 320. GWH under 320.
Yeah, I'm sitting in that thing with a couple hundred shares, man. Just kick back. Honestly, it might be time to just the iron hammer here, like the halt down dance for real. How's three gonna react?
I wanted to stay heavy under 320. God, don't pop back over 320. Stay heavy here.
Walk down, baby. And then
If I
STA.
take all this, dude, I'm green on the day, so that's my problem. It will be
Same
like a
here.
7-11 day, but
Yeah, GWH and STAI are like about to get me green with a little bit more follow through.
I'm gonna do.
SGBX Wiki, a little bit of sloppy rejection on a small time frame. Careful there though. I don't know. Me and Kevin got burned several times. We're kind of just sour sore subject SGBX.
I'm gonna do the smart thing and take a third off on GWH, and then
Yeah,
let.
there you
I'm
go.
just taking
I
a
like
third
that.
off.
I like that. My price target was 320 is breaking down now. So we already came to 320 once and bounced and then came back to it. So now it feels like it's time to take profit at like 3-ish. Like I should have already took profit essentially, that first go around, right?
Yeah,
I,
yeah.
I didn't. So now I'm kind of just like sitting even more in it for bigger picture.
Doug
Um,
posted his chart in the Discord, dude. If
let's
as long
go.
as GWH works out, dude, I'm
STA,
very
come on.
I'm very
This thing
proud of us, dude. Like
huge.
we have just diverted our attention from the ones that aren't working and focus on the ones that are. It's like
Hmm.
it's what you got to do. It's what you got
And
to
the
do.
awareness together, that's so powerful because you're so susceptible to tunnel by yourself. No one else is calling out plays. You're not hearing
I
anybody
know.
else's thoughts or opinions. It's just you in your head thinking, wow. It's like you in your head fighting yourself. I just took 3 losses on this. I can make it back. Oh, it's gonna work
Dude,
out. Like it's
we're a
crazy.
powerful force, dude. Powerful force to be reckoned with. QNRX, I'm looking at it, Doug. Yeah, goodness gracious, look at that.
Did it
Taking
halt down?
profits along the way. Excellent trade on QNRX.
QNRX
Uh,
did halt down. I'm up 100K. I'm a starter.
oh my God, Fades,
I
you
took
cracked me up.
10K shares at 41.
I'm gonna look at this leaderboard and see where you're at now. There's a guy up over 1 million.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I figured
you're
I
number
thought
4.
I heard someone say maybe the top 10 are going to keep going. So I mean, I think I'm in like third or fourth place. So I'm not too
Oh, is
worried.
that right?
I don't know if that's dude. I don't know. I've just been having fun with it. Like I told you guys my literal strategy on it and everything. Don't overcomplicate it. You have to go full leverage and you just find a good setup and it works or it doesn't.
I mean, I would have focused hard on it, but I'm funded. I'm trying to make money over here.
Yeah, exactly.
So,
Like I had 4 different portals pulled up this morning. Like my 50K funded, my 25K funded, my 50K eval, and then the competition. I'm like, this is kind of overwhelming. So it's just been a slow day. I mean, I'm like $50 red right now, so it's fine. It's been a green week, big green week. Every day's been green. Like this has been like my best week in a long time. Like payout coming Monday. Like
last week we had the celebratory green week. This week we're having a green week.
we're
It's going.
manifesting this stuff, dude. Like we're on a tear, guys. Like this is history in the making. You guys
Yeah,
are along with us for the ride. It's awesome.
I know. I'm ready for
We're
that.
gonna celebrate next week. We're linking up. It's awesome,
Yeah.
dude. It's good stuff.
Yeah, you'll have to. So Wednesday, I'll get there fairly early. Just text me your address. I'll Uber over there like early in
Yeah,
the
we'll
morning.
be in touch, and yeah, you can come over and we can trade. We'll make a video or we'll stream or whatever, and just vibe it out from there.
It'll be. It's not going to be as professional of a setup, guys, because I'm just going to bring my computer. I'm not going to bring all the cameras and mics and everything. So it'll. But we'll stream. I mean, it'll be like Fades' quality.
Yeah, I got a couple monitors and like maybe
Uh,
I'll like have my girl bring over another monitor that you can plug up to and use for the day or something like that. She's not busy. Yeah, I'll figure it out.
we'll get it figured out. Yeah, no, I'm used to like 4 monitors, so that's going to be kind of a challenge.
Right? Yeah, you're gonna be on my janky setup, my waterlogged computer, my laggy setups.
I know. And then monitoring chat and looking
It's
at
yeah,
dailies. It's
this
gonna be
is
a
what
lot.
Green Team was founded on, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Founding principles, the core values of the green team.
Write
Uh,
those up. Write those up in the Discord. Core
yeah,
values.
right,
Green
right.
team core values.
STAI, one more penny, dude. Come on, there
One
it
more
is.
penny.
There it is. Come on.
Golf clap.
Come on. I need to look in the portal because if it's 66, I can take it now. Let me see. It says 77, but I don't trust it, so I got 65.
Oh, dude, bro. GLTO. GLTO may be good
Okay,
for
give me
just a
one.
slow bleed.
7.7 is my average. Okay, cool. So I can take 6.6.
It's on a little descending triangle this morning. I mean, clear resistance, like right overhead, 1470s. 1470s for just a bleed today, back down like several points. That's a really nice
GLT.
slope. Yeah, it looks like a good bleeder today. Not getting the volume.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it is. That's what you're watching. Yeah, you're right. Sleepy Fade. That was the other one to keep an eye on that we talked about this morning. So let's see. What's the spread? Yes, I got my fill. Let's go, dude. 2K shares, 11-cent
Good job,
profit.
man. Good job.
Nice. So
I'm a,
that's put me back. I'm back to a green day now, just like that, guys. Power in numbers, power like working multiple setups and just
yeah,
letting.
dude. I'm probably like okay. I think I'm taking GLTO
Okay. Let me take.
1388, just small against like 1450 60. I don't. I want it to just sell off from here.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a starter with you. Okay.
I
Because we've
think it's
been
one to just ignore. Like
we've
go
been
eat.
lurking on that one. Yeah, we've been studying it. Like we've been watching the action and stuff. Like we know that ticker pretty well.
We gonna
Yeah.
go to that sushi place on Wednesday?
We can, dude. That was so good. I usually go there with my girl. I show up there on like a Tuesday afternoon. She's like, "You by yourself today?" I'm like, "Yeah, I am." I just like gorged out. I didn't tell my girl about it. She'd be pissed. I treated myself, dude. The day before it was massive. Getting that 50K funded was a great feeling.
Yeah.
And, man, just celebrate, work hard, play hard, treat
I was
myself
thinking
some.
about bringing your girl a new spoon because it sounded like she broke that one last Friday night.
Yeah,
I was
dude,
cracking
that
up.
was hilarious, bro. She's like, I didn't know you could stream for 4 hours. I'm like, honey, give me a break. You know I don't get to talk about this. I don't get to let any of this out. Like I got my bros, my brothers in the chat and the stream, man. Like this, there's nothing like this, dude. Like a bunch of traders just getting down to it, just being real with each other, going through the highs and lows, man. This is
Yeah.
what it's about. It's
Yes.
been a lonely path, like I talk about. I've been doing this stuff self-employed for over 5 years now, like just trading and doing little side stuff, and it's awesome to join you and just join together and really work these things, polish our process.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm very appreciative. This is the best. Living the dream. Living the dream. Doing this with the green team.
For real. Yeah,
I mean,
Gio.
I
Mhm.
I would rather make like you couldn't offer me like if you offered me a job that made $1 million a year, but it was something like off, something that's just not. I want to trade. I want to trade, even if it's
Yeah,
making like just what I need to get by. This is my passion, dude. I don't. At the end of the day,
exactly, bro. It's so true.
the money doesn't matter to me anyways because it all goes to the family. It does matter to me in that sense. It's like I don't make anything. The wife and the kids make it all.
But it's like
Uh,
you want to enjoy the process of making the
yeah,
money. And I
yeah,
think that's the big thing, man. It's like I've met a lot of people and I've worked a lot of jobs in the past, and in this economy and stuff and these times we're living in, man, like it's not easy to get by. A lot of people sacrifice most of their lives to work for somebody else. And that's just the
yeah.
dark reality, man. So like to
It's
able to trade and have that power and have that freedom is so powerful, and that's why I've gone through hell and back over the past 5, 7, 8 years, whatever, to just continue to polish, this trade, the trade of trading, because it's so powerful to just be able to work for yourself and own your own time. And that's why it's awesome now to be able to somewhat give back to the community. Like, I know we don't have a large following, but to give back and be able to kind of mentor some people and help out and just like give it back, because it's like I've done this, like I've lived and breathed this for like a long time, so it's like no one's perfect. We're not perfect traders, but we have a lot to give, as far as
Hmm.
stuff. And it's really cool to just be able to put it back out there and to help each other out.
Wise words, man. Yeah, and you can tell like you've walked this humble path. I mean, I can hear it in your voice. It's been a humbling journey. Certainly has.
Yeah. God, yeah. Yeah, I got a lot of stories.
Well, now your stories will be exposed to the world on stream every day.
Yeah,
That's why
right.
it's hard to f up when you're on
Man,
stream.
GLTO looks really good, bro. It's sleepy, but like
I know, but that's what
GWH working great. It's just, yeah, man.
we're dialed in.
That's what we talked about, the less is more kind of thing. That's been the theme this
Mhm.
week. Like, I've had the best week I've ever had, and I've traded less than I've ever had. Maybe not like each trade by trade, but ticker basis, right? Like, stuck to
Yeah.
the good setups and milked those, and not been so like, let me trade this, let me trade that. But I think the
Oh,
psychology on the funded definitely changes. Q and
perfect
RX,
fall. Perfect fall. Are you funded?
did it dump? And the Q and
Yes.
RX dumping. Q and RX is dumping more, guys. Is it going to keep going? Do I add to it on the comp?
Probably.
Do we short it on the funded? Q and RX, bro. It's up 200%. I don't know. It's going to halt down again, bro.
I'm taking as many 10,000 share lots as I can.
We can't take it on the eval. Okay, I added. Whatever. Fine.
I'm in 40,000 shares on the comp.
Oh, my God.
I wanted this damn thing at like $40, but it wasn't working because I was going in too heavy. So I tried to go in 50,000 and it just wasn't. I thought originally it's because it said it was halted. I can't, but that's too much buying power. So I just went 10,000 lots 4 times right there.
Wow.
GWH, hell yeah, guys! I'm about to take another third off. GWH
Let's
taking
go, bro. Turn into a green day. Let's go.
GWH. Oh, I think I'm good to get funded or get a payout now.
Sweet, dude. That's so awesome, bro. This is such perfect timing, man. Like, trade the pool convention. Like, we're finally like really doing it. We're both taking a payout. Like, this is good stuff, man. But like we always talk about, we've never made it. We're always making it. It's like we stay humble, we stay disciplined. As I said, it's like the second you get squirrely, like some of these longs buying at the top, that's when you blow up, and the market will always humble you. So you need to just stay humble so you don't have to go through it.
As evidenced by a big guru this week. Yeah, buying that rubs me such the wrong way, man. I wish, but thousands of people go over there and chase those things higher like that and blow up with them. So,
Well, that's the thing. It's like, and like we talked about, I don't really want to like downplay or talk too bad, but it's just, it's like trade a rehab and then to make $40,000 the next day. It's just, that just kind of sounds ignorant. In trade a rehab, but made 40K. And he sold the top on that trade on BJDX, and it dumped the rest of the day, guys. So who was winning there? Who's losing? Like, let's just do some math.
It's party time, guys. Perfect Fall just got his 50K max over the threshold.
That's it. I'm getting drunk tonight on stream. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Send me your address. I'm a Uber Eats you over some alcohol.
Oh man, that's funny. Great work, guys. Great work, dude. We're
Adjusted
seeing a lot of
stop
stuff
on
this.
GWH adjusted stop 320 on the last third I have. I wanted to stay heavy against that, but
Okay.
It may pop up there, take me out. It's all good. GLTO working out. Yeah, we
Let
just
me take a
know, like,
look, dude.
we know what we're looking at too. GLTO's looking good. Like
Yeah, we're
like
doing
when
a
you
great
send
job
me an
of not
alert.
coloring. We're getting more selective. Like, yeah, our eyes getting sharper for sure. Let me see.
Doug, when you
GWH.
start? So Doug, why November? You're going to start the trade the pull in November. Why not? Why not October 10th? Get the shorts going.
Yeah, we got to start. I mean, we're gonna be inspiring people. If they're following along, watching our journey for sure. Like this is serious stuff. Like I sound like a freaking trade the pool salesman. And like I said, this week was my good karma because I sounded like I was like working for them on stream last week. So I'm glad I had a good week and they're paying me out now. They did. Yeah, I earned it.
The working calendar. Yeah, yeah. Gotcha. I figured that was the case. $7 SGBX is probably, I mean, that's the good risk now on it. $7. We saw this happening. It just chopped around way more. You know, Perfect Fall did the right thing here. He just got in, set the risk, and moved along. You got to give those a little bit more wiggle room. So he did a great job of
Mhm.
that and
Yeah,
deserves to be funded off of that. So good work.
yeah, good job, man. That's awesome, dude.
XBIO has been selling off all
So,
day.
yeah, the 50K funded, like I'm just trading that kind of like my 25K. I'm not trying to be aggressive, and I feel like a lot more peace of mind there. I have so much more wiggle room. The 1K max loss is kind of scary. That's why I don't even want to oversize because like that's gonna wreck my psyche if I hit max loss on that. Like I know it because I've already been there and done that. So I'm just taking baby steps on both of these accounts and small payouts and keeping them funded, keeping them alive, like not having to go through the eval phase again by just very conservatively trading and taking
Hmm.
consistent payouts, right? So SOPA and the GLTO, Sleepy working. QNRX resumption, bro.
All right. Oh shit, I am in that 40,000 shares.
If it starts
Uh,
going back up, I'm covering. I'm up 100K right now. I see a gap at 32. There's a bunch of gaps.
yeah,
This thing's gap nation.
nothing but gaps.
Depending on how it acts, I might take tiny size on the funded here. If it kind of bases out and looks
Gives us
heavy.
4 minutes. What do we need? Like
Well,
no,
we just need a minute, bro.
for the
Default.
volatility though, right? Because this
No,
had a
default rule. The
okay.
volatility rule doesn't count after halts. It's just the
All right.
halt rule. So we can actually get involved here, but I don't know, man. It's scary. It's definitely scary, but it could be heavy from here. I'm smacking it more on the comp. The halt down.
Has it been a minute yet?
Has it?
I don't know if I'm getting involved there on the funded. That thing is sketching me
Yeah, I
out.
don't know if I want to. Yeah, yeah, I'm kind of with you, bro. Maybe we should just play it smart, right?
Well, I've had a good day not focusing on the most overcrowded. I mean, good. I mean, I've
Mhm.
had a decent day.
It's trying to
Had a
present itself, but the risk is so wide. It's like you have to take like a $200 short. It's just like so sketchy to manage your risk on this trade. Yeah, we've done good. Let's just protect our profits, right?
yeah, and I'm not. I mean, I'm not even. I'm barely green. I'm green, but barely green.
Yeah,
Just
see, look at that reclaim. I had to cover, bro.
it's about to halt up.
Yeah, I had to cover for break even on the comp. 100K paper cut. I'm tilted, guys. I'm tilted. Just watch the 100K come and go. Life of an MM.
Yeah, it's good to just. Oh my God, XBIO. That was one on our uh, radar. Halted down.
Oh Lord, yeah, it did. Wow. BQ, dang, dude. BQ also gave it up today. DVLT continues to fade. Dang it. I made a backside list and I just didn't. I got sucked into these other plays. I didn't freaking D
You know
fly.
what?
Um, D fly work.
QNRX, dude, does QNRX really reclaim 41 at this point?
Are you in on the competition?
Oh yeah, I'm down a ton, like 175,000.
Oh, well, I protected mine for the green team. I still got 500K in profit, so I should probably just sit on my hands now, right? Like that should get me to the finals. You think?
Oh yeah, you're good.
Right?
I mean, I was up 175. Now I'm down 200. Dude, I'm letting this ride though. Big day,
Yeah. You
full
either
day
liquidate
participation.
out. You're gonna get liquidated at 50, and it's gonna get flushed back down to 12. That's it's like the oversizing. You feel the pain of oversizing, but it's good though. It's like you see what happens when you go all in, right? It's a simple math. It doesn't matter if you go all in with a million or 25K or whatever the account size is. If you oversize too much, it's usually not going to end well.
SGBX feels done now, but uh, like after that, dude, 7 should stay very heavy on SGBX.
Yeah, right. It looks heavy, but God, things been painful. I don't know, man. Hmm.
I know.
Something's just telling me. I feel like my intuition is getting strong in these plays, man. Like my gut, I'm like starting to listen to my gut more, and it's paying off. Like I just probably, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe that's just because we both got burned on it several times, right? Like we have PTSD on the name.
Mm-hmm.
Because I mean, it is kind of setting up. Like just maybe like don't be so emotional and just hit it small and risk like 6-3, 6-4 after that washout. Give it another like $30 risk and kind of see. Let me see. I'm gonna study it for a little bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit the head, be right back, and then I'm gonna be in Josh. He sent me the link, so I'm gonna head over there for a little bit, then
All right, cool.
go from there.
SGBX is interesting. You used your Pell Grant to fund your account, savage. Nah, yeah, you never marry one ticker, guys. SGBX, I'm thinking about chasing it a little bit after all this weakness.
SGBX is one I'd like to size small and just leave on for the day because
That's what I'm thinking. Mm-hmm.
like give it up towards. I don't know. I mean, I don't see it reclaiming 7, but I don't really want to give it that much room.
Really, right here is like, dude. I mean, like 6-3, 6-4 is like the new resistance. So it's kind of selling right now into that. I took 100 shares, man. Like I agree. Like I don't want to. I can make my gains back on this little $600 position by just letting it sit the rest of the day. Like,
GLTO could pay us really well on small size there too.
yeah, I might want to add just a little bit there because I like that setup. What's the spread looking like? Yeah, I think I'm gonna add like third more there. And then I just got 100 shares with SGBX. I'm giving it $30 risk again. I mean, I'm back even on the day on other trades I took, and it's setting up again. So I'll give it that. You know, that's the power of paper cuts. Like I'm not that emotional. Like I gave this ticker a little bit of money today, but it just had a huge death candle. It's heavy. It's under VWAP. Like it's up 90%. It's that safe. It's that green name theme. Like they can't hold up.
Yeah, GLTO is very tempting to hit again.
QNRX resumption. I'm just gonna keep watching that thing because like
Oh, dude, that's so
if
tempting
it
on the
tells me
funded
to
up here.
if it tells me to get in on the funded, then I'll consider it, man.
It's so tempting on the funded up here. I think I may do it small.
Is it a minute? No, has it been a minute? Oh, I'll tell you. I got a 15-second chart pulled up here. I can tell you, dude. It just hit that gap fill. Oh my god! I think
Is
I
it a
might
minute
have.
yet? Is it a minute?
It's so close. We got like one more. Okay, I think it's like it's got to be like 15 seconds, if anything.
Fucking hell. Has it been a minute?
Yeah, now it has. Now it has. I'm just taking like a couple $100 worth. Like
Yeah,
that's it.
same. I'm gonna get involved. Very tiny. Couple.
Uh, we're so scarred from it. Like, stop like 34.
Yeah, I'm thinking the same thing. Yeah,
But we
34
could
ish.
get skipped over, so we just can't size this because if they halted up on us, maybe even get out on a halt up, right? Okay, I
Right.
got 10 shares. I might scale a little bit more depending on what's going to happen. Bidder at 28. If 28 wipes, I'll add 5 more shares. Okay, 28 held. How much am I risking with 10 shares at 34? I think that's like, what, $50? Okay, I'm fine with that. Because that's like a really wide risk. GWH, I did the same idea as you. Stop over 3 2s.
Yeah, I got stopped there on the
It's like
leftovers.
we might leave some on the table there by getting stopped out, but let's secure the bag. Like we're watching other plays too. QNRS. What do you think, Taffy? You got something to say? Yeah, QNRX, very interesting here. I might even put my stop down at like 33. What is your stop at?
33.50.
Okay, yeah, mine's at 34 right now.
It's curling up a
There,
little bit right here.
yeah,
I
still pumping.
honest, I want to
If it
smack it
halts,
again on a pop, dude.
yeah, if it halts up, I'll cover. But I'm looking to probably scale. I might scale 5 more shares. I mean, I'm not risking much here.
Right, exactly. I just don't imagine it reclaims those like high
And this
30s
thing can elevate like 30, 40, 50% down in no time.
at any point. If it's not going to get the long volume, it will elevator down.
So I
If
got
it doesn't,
15 shares now. SGBX is looking good as well, dude. Like that thing is pretty heavy right now. I'm gonna scale that a little bit more.
pains me, SGBX. Whatever. I mean, sometimes you just can't figure the tickers out, and it's all good.
Yeah, man. That's how it goes, bro.
UNRX, if it's not going to get the bullish volume, it's going to elevator down here.
I should probably get back involved on my comp. There we go, bro. Halt down. Come on, baby. Let's
Get that
go.
halt down, baby. Come on. Woo, woo, woo.
That glorious halt down. Let's go. Patience. Patience, Bubba. Sat there like hawks. Sat there like I don't know, vultures. That doesn't sound good, but what? Eagle? I don't know. But yeah, you guys know what I'm trying to say.
like a lion in the Serengeti stalking a whatever's out there. Yes, we were.
I got 30
The
shares in the
gazelle.
halt on the funded.
I didn't go that heavy.
I don't know if that's. I might have broke a rule by doing that too, so I gotta be careful. I mean,
On that
30.
note,
Did I chase it? I might have, right? Because if it halted, then I guess I did chase it. Essentially,
I
it's a
gotta head
halt.
on Josh's stream.
Yeah,
Hey,
bro,
let's,
I'm
let's
totally over there. I've never seen his stream before, so I'll
yeah.
put
Let me post the. I already posted the link, right? Let me repost it.
I'll put over there.
Yeah, he's waiting for me. I need to go over there, and then we'll do the live stream tonight, guys. Celebratory live stream tonight. So probably like 9:30. I'll get in contact with the team and join the Discord to keep up with
Yeah,
that as
let
well.
us know if anybody wants to hop on and talk. You know,
Yeah,
come
we'll get
together. That'd be cool.
several of 3 or 4 or 5, 6. Doug from your truck. Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, team. We'll see you a little bit later on.